Hello guys and welcome back again to our channel. In today's tutorial I will show you how to create a banner for your YouTube channel. So with this being said, let's click on file and then let's click on new, and after that let's choose a template from these ones. For example, I'm going to go with this one, and here we go. Now we need some pictures and we need some stuff to add. Of course, I'm gonna this tutorial is the continued part of the last tutorial, which is how to create your logo. Now I'm creating the background for the same brand or the same logo. So we choose this game arena, so we will stick to it. Now let's say that we are a gamer and we need to bring some gaming photos. For example, I'm a LoL player, so I'm gonna search for Yasuo HD, and just like that I found these pictures. Let's choose this one. I really like it. We need a better quality one. Okay, this one is good, for example, and then we can add another one like this one. Oh, again it is bad. Let's look for something else. Let's check this one. Okay. Okay, this one looks good. Actually, this one looks good. Yeah, we can use it. Let's click on, let's see where is download. Okay, let's click on here and save image as and drag it again. Now let's go back to our project. Click on file, open, and let's choose these two and drag them to our project. You can do something like that, and we make it smaller. Something like that looks good. We close it. We don't need this open anymore, and then we drag this one and we do the same thing. Let's make it a little bit smaller and let's make it look something like that. Now let's drag our eraser, and after doing so, let's make it fade. Let's make it just like that and make the other background show some of it. So something like that works good for me. And yeah, actually that's good. That looks good. Let's make sure that it is not completely shown the background behind it. Let's not make it be so obvious. Now after we're done with it, let's make these two backgrounds look together and the same color by just clicking on these two, selecting them, and then black and white, and here you go. Now let's add our name tag. For example, we said game arena, so game arena is game arena, and we put it in the middle. Let's make it a little bit bigger, and yeah, that looks good. Now we can merge these three layers and we can add something like that. Brush, we can add another layer, make this brush a little bigger. Something like this will work with me. Yeah, this looks good. And we click on overlay. Now we click on this background and we click on blur, click on Gaussian blur, and let's make it a little bit blurry. Let's make it like that, and that works good for me. Now how can we add some details to it? We can add something like a shadow. For example, let's add first of all, let's add some light in here and we make it overlay. Soft light will work good. Yeah, it works good. Now let's add two shadows or black circles, one in the left and one in the right, as you can see, just like that, and the other one will be like something like that. All right, now we have to add some details to the writing. Let's make it gradient overlay, and after that let's choose something like red and something else like this one. This one looks good, yeah. And then let's go to inner glow and add some other details. let's make this like that. We can also add an inner shadow and make it pink, and then we make it a little bit obvious so we can see it with our eyes. We make distance, show, and then we add a little bit of size. And if you want, guys, we can add also some shadow behind the writing, and we can make it look something just a little bit. Let's not make it spread a lot. Size, okay, let's make it a little bit. It's like that, and distance just behind the writing. After that, we can from here we can draw some stuff like that in the left and right to make some extra details in our picture, and let's color them in red again. And the other side also we can add the same thing, just something like that. We can add here our YouTube channel, our social media stuff, like so, at Game Arena. Make it smaller, and make it color in white, and let's add first some shadow, and then let's make it white. Let's make the shadow opacity low, and as you can see, we added some details. Of course, you can add something else, like let's make this look something like that, and this one I think will work good. Let's check. Okay, let's pick this one, PNG. Let's see if it is PNG or not. Okay, it's not PNG, so let's remove it. Let's pick something else. This one. Okay, this one is PNG. This one looks good. Let's make it and add it over here. And now we can make it behind the writing. Let's make it something like that. We can edit the color if you want. You can just make it only on this picture. Something like that looks good. We can change the color of this character, something reddish. Yep, this thing looks perfect. So that was the tutorial for today, guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe, and see you at the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.